Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A15 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and the SD card into this phone. To insert the SIM card and the SD card into this phone, first you need to lock the screen so it won't be annoying us. So we're gonna press the power button to lock the screen. Once you lock the screen, pick up your phone and find the SIM card and SD card slot or port. It's right here. As you can see, we have the hole right here on the tray, which allows us to open the tray. To open it, we need a pin. Usually it comes with your phone. It looks something like this. Basically, you have a pin that allows you to open the SIM card tray. To open the tray, simply insert the pin into this hole right here. And once you insert the pin, you need to push it in and the tray will pop out. And once it does, you can remove the pin, remove the tray like this. And here we have it. This is the SIM card and SD card tray. To put the SIM card on it, you will need a nano size SIM card. That looks like something like this. You need to place it on the tray. It fits only one way because the tray is basically cut to the shape of the SIM card. So it fits only one way, like that. And the SD card goes on this slot. So you pick up your micro SD and you put it on. Oh, my bad. It should snap on like this. And here we have it. We have the SIM card and SD card on the tray. And once you place them on the tray, we need to insert the tray into our phone. And this part is a bit tricky because as you can see, the cards don't want to stay on the tray. So we need to be careful. I'm gonna position my phone like this and just insert the tray. Be aware though, once you're inserting the tray, that the side of the tray can only go one way. So make sure that the side of the cards with the writings on them are facing the top. Basically, you can see them because that's how the SIM card or tray should go in. So you need to position it like that, then slide it in slowly. And once you slide it in, you can push it in with your finger. Sometimes it will get stuck. We need to convince it to go in like this. And once you slide it in till the end, it's basically flat right here, flush. You can see that the SIM card is already working because we have a notification about it. So let me unlock the phone, open the notification panel, and here we have our SIM card. It's working, and the SD card is working as well. So everything is working, and that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.